And in Goa, being a very sensitive area, being a tourist area, where drugs today is thriving, has become almost the center point of drugs coming to. Is this patrolling not kept from 2020 in collaboration with some people? That you can't have patrol boats, which cost some 5-6 crores, but you have got money to spend 5.5 crores for a 15-minute ceremony, swearing-in ceremony, and that to a ceremony where majority of the people rejected you. You have the courage. 10.5 crores, if you check, has been spent for the renovation of Minister's bungalow. We all know explosives, drugs. The main gate is the coast, and you're keeping that open. Who is responsible for this? Is it the Goa Ministry or is it the Defence Ministry? And what is the job of the coastal area mostly? The coastal police is to signal to the Indian Coast Guard if they suspect anything.